MICROCHIP's Accelerated Silicon Carbide Development Kit is an evaluation and development platform that enables out-of-the-box testing and optimization for the AgileSwitch ASDAK-2ASC series silicon carbide gate driver cores. The AgileSwitch ASDAK-2ASC gate driver cores are digital programmable gate drivers with augmented switching technology. These driver cores allow users to adjust system performance through software updates, and the tunable augmented switching profiles provide programmable gate voltage levels with precise turn-on and turn-off settings. This mitigates ringing and reduces overshoot, which increases efficiency and reduces EMI. The driver cores provide monitoring and fault reporting for up to 7 fault conditions, and they support switching at up to 150 kHz. Each development kit includes 3 of the AgileSwitch series driver cores and 1 adapter board that's designed for specific silicon carbide modules, with a different module adapter board in each kit. It also includes a programmer kit, and there's no soldering required. The driver core board plugs into the module adapter board, which plugs into the module, and there are options for driving 1200 volt and 1700 volt silicon carbide modules. The driver cores can be programmed using the Intelligent Configuration Tool, or ICT. This tool provides an easy-to-use GUI that allows users to adjust settings for the augmented switching profiles, fault reporting, and gate voltages. This allows designers to easily characterize performance and tune settings to optimize performance to the target application. To learn more about MICROCHIP's AgileSwitch gate driver cores and the accelerated silicon carbide development kits, visit Mouser.com.